into an extraordinary world. A compassionate world. A place that was always there for me. It makes me a thinker. A friend. A protector. It teaches me so many lessons. To explore everywhere. Let my curiosity get the best of me. To risk everything. Spark a dream you can't live without and chase it. To live fearlessly. Hold on tight, but don't hold back. To evolve